Ako'y taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa patuloy na pagtulong nyo at suporta sa pamahalaang lokal. Hindi lang sa Maynila, kundi sa buong bansa. Maraming salamat po, Mr. President. Ito'y patuloy na inyong pagsuporta sa pagpapalakas ng kakayanan ng lokal na pamahalaan na tugunan ng pangangailangan ng ating mamamayan. Lalo na pagdating sa serbisyong pangkalusugan. Kompleto ka na, Mr. President. Zero billing. Pinataas mo ang coverage ng PhilHealth. O tapos ngayon, magpuproduce ka pa ng maraming doktor, nurse. Kumbaga sa kalye, Mr. President, walop na, kompleto na. Kaya po, Mr. President, hindi po kayo nagkamali sa pagbibigay ng suporta sa pagtatatag ng bagong gusali ng pamantasan lungsod ng Maynila College of Allied Health Sciences. Mas madalit salita sa mga kababayan natin. Ito po yung mas kilala na College of Medicine. Pero mas tama daw po yung Allied Health Sciences. Dahil ang mga mag-aaral dito ay mahuhusay. At even the First Lady herself can attest to her former student when she was teaching the College of Law sa Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila. Halos taon-taon 100%. At madalas pa nasa top 10 ang aming mga mag-aaral. At hindi rin po kayo nagkamali, Mr. President, na kami pagkatiwalaan sa lungsod ng Maynila. We guarantee you, in our own little way, with all the resources in mind, physical ability, that we will finish this on time as scheduled, like what we did with Baseco Community, Condominium 1, Condominium 2, Binondominium 1, San Lazaro Residence, San Sebastian Residence, Pedro Hill Residence, Albert Elementary School, Manila Science High School, Rosauro Almario Elementary School, at yung nasa harapan po natin na Manila Zoo. At itong hospital ng Maynila. All done in less than 3 years, the height of pandemic. Tatapatan po namin ng sipag at mabilis na kilos ang mabilis nyo ring aksyon at tugon sa usaping pangkalusugan. Dito man lamang kami mga batang Maynila, masuklian ang inyong pagmamalasakit sa amin that we will deliver on time as prescribed in our goal. Kaya muli po, Mr. President, maraming salamat. At bilang panghuli, Mr. President, we guarantee you in our own little way, with little resources, whatever resources that we have, we will align ourselves with your national goal to provide quality healthcare to our people, whether on a financial assistance, whether on delivery of services, whether putting up facility, whether buying equipments, and now producing medical professionals in the next generation. And just so you know, Mr. President, itong pinuhunanan ninyo used to produce a cut of 300 students every year. Itong pinuhunanan ninyo, you will produce in your nation-building approach of 5,000 students. And it's worth every penny of taxpayers' money. Kaya muli, thank you, Mr. President. Maraming salamat po on behalf of the people of Manila. We wish you good health. We wish you to be successful in your commitment and fulfilling your duties to our people. And we will continue to support in our own little way. Maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor de Magoso. At sa puntong ito,